So you want the exclusive for how to make YouTube thumbnails that pop. Keep watching, I got you. If you're new here and want to get actionable strategies like this one, consider subscribing to my channel. For this tutorial, you'll need Fonto, which is available in iOS and Android. So going into the Fonto app, you want to hit the camera and then hit photo albums, where hopefully you've saved the photo that you would like to use for your thumbnail in a 16:9 ratio. Then you want to type in really concise words that describe your video. Here I typed in the word easy, and then I'm just testing different fonts to see how I want the word easy to look. So once I have that, I hit style and then I go over to stroke. If you tap like black, you'll get a black outline. That's what stroke means. And then I go over to shadow and I select the second option because I just like how it makes the text pop against the background. If you go over to background, you can select a color and you will get like a banner below your letters of a certain color background. So here I'm just playing with different fonts again, just because I have two fonts that I use consistently across my YouTube channel thumbnails for now, and I want to really stay on brand if I can, but I haven't yet committed that those are for sure going to be my fonts. I'm just starting out, so I'm just playing around with this a little bit. And if you scroll down to the bottom of the background tab, you can see there are different styles of banners that you can use. This one is like a cutaway, which means you would see the background of your image through the lettering, which I think is really cute, but I didn't want to use that for this thumbnail. So a key part of designing your thumbnails is being fluid and just switching and trying new things. I didn't like the word easy in any font, so I just switched up the text that I was using on my actual thumbnail. And when you're designing your thumbnails, you want to keep in mind that people are deciding whether to watch your video based off of what they are able to digest in like a 3-second period. So I chose 15-minute press on nails as my text for this thumbnail because the video is about how I was able to get these cute press on nails without going to a nail salon in under 15 minutes at home, which is something that a lot of ladies are struggling with right now during the quarantine period. There is a lot of trial and error that goes into making your thumbnails. As you see, I'm moving the lettering from one side to the other, from the lower quadrant to the upper. So while I love this font, and looking back, I wish I had left this font as the script on my thumbnail, I didn't go with this one because this wasn't the cursive that I had previously used for my branding, and I don't want to be all over the place with my branding. So again, as I mentioned, I'm not committed to the fonts that I've used in my previous thumbnails, but I'm also not ready to switch it up and be confusing everyone. I would love for people to know that it's a Maya exclusively thumbnail when they see it, like immediately. And right now, the branding that I'm using, I think, is consistent, and I want to keep it as consistent as possible until I make that official change. here I'm just adding like $9 to throw on the thumbnail to add some visual interest. When people are looking at your thumbnail, they're deciding if they want to watch your video. And one of the things that helps people decide in a split second to watch your video is key information. So I felt key information for this video is that you can have this look in under $10. So boom, let's put $9 with an exclamation and an oh my gosh face on here to get people to understand, like, come watch this now. So yeah, I highly recommend the Fonto app. I am always able to create my thumbnails in under 15 minutes using this app, as long as I have the picture edited and all ready. So do consider downloading it. I don't remember if I paid or not. I will link that information in the description. But if I paid anything, it was a one-time nominal fee and it's not a monthly thing. So look guys, if you found this helpful at all, hit like and hit subscribe. Thank you. Stay safe everyone.